So you clicked on this video because you want to get paid for answering questions online using ChatGPT, right? Well, good news. I'm about to show you exactly how to do that. So here's the deal. Everyone and their grandma's been talking about making money with ChatGPT lately, right? Most videos tell you to become a freelancer, which, cool, but also you're competing with approximately 47 million people who watch the same YouTube video. Not ideal. I'm going to show you something different, something that involves answering questions on the internet, which, let's be honest, you already do for free on Reddit at 2 a.m. anyway. Might as well get paid for it, right? Here's exactly how it works. The platform? Quora. The tool? ChatGPT writes your answers for you. The money? Affiliate commissions every time someone clicks your links and buys. No website needed, no freelancing, $0 to start. Just you copying and pasting AI answers onto a question and answer site that gets millions of visitors every single day. If you can Google something, you can do this. But real talk, this isn't a get-rich overnight thing. You actually have to show up and do the work. Cool? Cool. We need 3 websites for this, and before you panic, they're all free. I know, shocking. Website number 1 is Quora. It's basically Yahoo Answers, but it didn't die in 2021. People ask questions about everything. Why is my cat staring at the wall? How do I lose 30 pounds by Tuesday? You know, the important stuff.
This is fine.
Website number 2 is ClickBank. This is an affiliate marketplace, which is fancy speak for you recommend products, you get paid when people buy them. Think of yourself as a digital door-to-door salesman, except you're in your pajamas and nobody can slam a door in your face. Progress. And website 3 is ChatGPT, our robot friend who's going to write all our answers because, let's face it, I barely remember what I had for breakfast. Why would I write a 500-word essay about keto diets? Here's how this works, and I promise it's easier than assembling IKEA furniture. Step 1. Head to Quora and make an account. Yes, you need to use a real email. No, you can't use coolguy69 at hotmail.com from 2009. Well, you can, but should you? Once you're in, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is your money-making machine disguised as a boring search box. Step 2. Pick your battlefield. The big 3 that actually make money are health, wealth, and relationships. Or as I call them, help me lose weight, help me get rich, and why won't they text me back? Let's say we pick weight loss because apparently everyone wants abs, but nobody wants to stop eating pizza. Relatable. Step 3. Type weight loss into that search bar and boom. Questions everywhere. People asking stuff like, does eating after 8 p.m. make you gain weight? Spoiler alert, no, but eating an entire pizza at 11 p.m. might. Here's the pro tip. Use the filters on the left. Set it to questions, and this is crucial, set the time to past hour or past day. Why? Because answering a question from 2019 is like showing up to a party 3 years late. Sure, you're there, but nobody cares. Step 4. Find a question, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. But don't just paste it like a caveman. Ask ChatGPT to break it down into sections with bullet points at the end. Make it look professional, like you actually know things. For example, you could say something like, answer this question in detail, break it into sections, and add bullet points at the end for easy reading. ChatGPT will generate a beautiful, well-structured answer that makes you look like an expert. Step 5. Copy that beautiful AI-generated answer and paste it back into Quora. Add some bold text here and there to make it pop. Throw in some spacing so it doesn't look like a ransom note. We're trying to be helpful, not suspicious. Now here's where the magic happens. Head over to ClickBank, search for products related to your question. In our case, weight loss stuff. You'll find everything from smoothie diets to workout programs to probably some weird vibrating belt thing that melts fat. Pick one that doesn't look completely insane, generate your affiliate link, and here's the smooth move. Go back to your Quora answer and add a section called Personal Recommendation. Then paste your product name and hyperlink it. Don't just slap a raw URL in there like a spam bot. We have class, sort of. You can mention it a couple times in your answer, but don't go crazy. Nobody likes that person who turns every conversation into a sales pitch. We all know a Karen who sells essential oils. Don't be that person. Hit post, and congratulations, your answer lives on Quora forever, working for you while you sleep, eat, or binge watch true crime documentaries. Here's the catch, though, and there's always a catch. You need to do this consistently, like answer 20 questions a day consistently. I know, that sounds like work because it is. Shocker. But think about it. You're basically copying and pasting answers a robot writes for you, adding a link, and calling it a day. If you can't commit to that, maybe stick to playing the lottery. The key to success here is volume and timing. Answer as many questions as possible and try to be one of the first people to answer using that time filter I mentioned. Early answers get more visibility, which means more clicks, which means more commissions. Also, don't just stick to one niche. If weight loss isn't working for you, try make money online topics, or relationship advice, or stress relief. Test different categories and see what gets you the best results. Another pro tip: make your answers genuinely helpful. I know we're using AI here, but you can still add your own touch. Maybe throw in a personal story at the beginning or end. People connect with real experiences, even if the middle part was written by a robot. And here's something most people don't talk about: you can actually build credibility on Quora over time. As you answer more questions and get more upvotes, your profile becomes more trusted. That means your future answers will get even more visibility. It's a snowball effect. Quick recap for my attention span: challenged friends. Sign up for Quora. It's free. Stop making excuses. Pick a niche. Health, wealth, or relationships work best. Find recent questions using those time filters. Get ChatGPT to write your answers. Work smarter, not harder. Grab an affiliate product from ClickBank that's actually related to what you're talking about. Add that link tastefully in your answer, maybe twice, maximum. Post and repeat 20 times a day if you're serious about making money with this. Wait for commissions to roll in while you perfect your couch potato form. And that's it. No complicated tech, no massive following needed, just you and your ability to copy, paste, and click buttons. Revolutionary, I know. If this actually helped you, smash that like button so the algorithm thinks I'm cool. Subscribe if you want more ways to make money that don't involve becoming a TikTok dancer or selling pictures of your feet. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll either answer them or have ChatGPT answer them. Honestly, depends on my mood. Now get out there and start answering questions. And remember, the only thing standing between you and success is, well, actually doing the thing. Good luck.